Hey guys, and good afternoon. So today we're gonna be opening the set 75270 Obi-Wan's Hut. I've been waiting for this set for a long time, and last year it was released, and luckily I got it this year. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a spin. Alright, so here's the finished product of Obi-Wan's hut. It's around 200 pieces, not so sophisticated, and it's actually pretty easy to build. So, as you can see here in the interior of the design, it comes with a cargo set here. For example, this box comes with a Jedi training probe and a lightsaber. Then, besides that, right, we have this really exclusive mold from Lego, a Princess Leia hologram, as you can see here, this blue figure. And really, the set isn't actually hard to build. It's very basic, it's really compact, and I really like the design. Although, unfortunately, I wish they would have changed the characters. The Lego set is actually something you can build on your own, and it doesn't take too much of a hassle to do anyways. So yeah. As for the characters, right, the characters come in 4 pieces. We have a Tusken Radar from Episode 4, and it also appears in The Mandalorian too. Obi-Wan from Episode 4, or Ben Kenobi, and he's not actually wearing his old robes from the last time, because in the last set, the speeder set, he was wearing his brown robes. In this set, he's wearing his home clothes, as you can see here. The character comes with a back print as well. Then we also come with another standard Luke Skywalker. Unfortunately for me, I don't really like the same design. It's really basic, and it's the same design as the last ones in 2017 and 2018. So that's really unfortunate about it. But again, really compact set. I really like the I really like some of the characters. Luke Skywalker, however, I wish they could have made more designs. And then of course we have the very generic R2-D2. Luckily for me, I did not get a misprint, so that's really nice. And yeah, that is the characters. It's around $20 if you're interested in buying it. You can get it on Lazada, you can get it on Shopee, and you can definitely, obviously, get it on the Lego store. I bought it from Shopee for around 2,000 pesos. Other stores were selling it for 2,500, so I'm really lucky. But yeah, the shipping was good, it arrived on time, and this Lego set is really great for beginners. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys will watch the next episode. Hopefully the next set will come.